Hey everyone, today we're comparing three awesome note-taking and knowledge management tools for 2025. Joplin, Logseq, and Obsidian. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First, Joplin. Joplin is a free open source app that's great for simple note-taking. It uses Markdown for formatting, so your notes look clean. You can create to-do lists, add images, and sync notes across devices using Dropbox or Joplin Cloud with end-to-end encryptions for security. It's easy to use, especially if you want a straightforward app without too many fancy features. Next, Logseq. Logseq is also free and open source, but it's built for organizing thoughts in a more connected way. It uses an outline style format, perfect for brainstorming or managing tasks. Its graph view shows how your notes link together, making it awesome for building a knowledge web. Logseq keeps your data private with local storage and has plugins to customize your workflow. Now, Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful tool for creating a personal knowledge base. It's free for personal use, stores notes as markdown files locally, and has a cool graph view to visualize note connections. With tons of plugins and themes, you can make it fit your style. It's great for researchers or anyone who loves linking ideas, but syncing requires a paid add-on. Comparison time. Ease of use. Joplin wins for beginners with its simple interface. Logseq and Obsidian have a steeper learning curve due to their advanced features. Price. All are free for basic use, but Obsidian sync and some features cost extra. So which is best? Choose Joplin if you want a simple, secure app for basic notes and to-dos. Pick Logseq if you love outlining and need a free privacy-focused tool for connected thinking. Go with Obsidian if you're a power user who wants deep customization and a visual knowledge graph. That's it. Try them out and let us know your favorite in the comments. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.